can all be in a line parallel to the northern border of the property, and we'll all be about 20 yards apart and just move up like a line. They won't have any clue who will be the president. We don't have to be a perfect line, but we don't have to be 2 separate patrols either.
That'll
really screw them up because there's no real tactic.
But guys, if we get them, then they're dead too. So you have less. So we got to try to get.
Yeah, I've never said get the president to the end, just kill everyone, and you don't have to worry about getting to the end.
Dan, or do you want to do that, or do you just want to have like one just big group, and then because then they'd be stuck over there.
But if we can get,
we could just.
I kind of like his idea.
Let's have the president sit back for 5 minutes. All his guys come ahead, and then 1 scout stay with the president away from him.
Usually he has a
everyone come up and shoot him off. Yeah. And then have everyone on this team, if we win, let us know there's very few of them left and say, come on guys, it's safe to come now. Isaac Cloud is the president.
Good man.
Oh.
You're allowed to shoot,
I think it's sniper. Just a suggestion, but I only got my sniper. Okay. I think it's sniper.
Lead us. It's nice to meet you, President.
Sniper, how about you?
Thank you. Thank you.
We have your autograph.
Let's do this, guys.
Try to keep them down the hill. We got a better angle up here anyway.
Yeah, they're up there. Yeah, they're way up there.
Oh, are they up there?
Yeah, he's shooting me over there. We got Jim up on the hill. He's coming down, he's coming down. Oh, Jim and Steven. They're all up on the hill.
Take this wood pile up here. You see anyone?
Move, all of you move in, I'll cover you.
Go.
Move in!
Take that wood pile. Where they at? Where they at? I'll see them. Hey, move farther down. Coming over.
Come on, guys, move down!
Hey, guys, you need to get up here.
Cover me, they're down there. Pile 2 or 3 up there?
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to go up there?
I'm like Dan sniped out several people from up there, so I think it'd be really smart if you just like up on the ridge up there. He just like he hit me like right here. Okay. And so you got me twice, and so it's really hard to see people. You want me? All right. I'll crack to the ridge. All right. So wait, who all's going over by the woodpile? 5 of us.
Are you going over there?
You see that mosquito? Or I can stay back here. I can go wherever. I've always done that.
automatics need to stay here and the rest of
I'll stay here this time. I'll let some other people go. All right, guys.
I'm definitely gonna need somebody up there.
Me and Levi are gonna go. Levi and I are gonna go around there.
Flip.
see, how many? So that
I'll
means
take
we
some
have
guys
5
and then
left.
go for the wood pile.
So maybe these 3, you 3 go to the wood pile.
Okay.
I don't know, Zach. Maybe you should stay and when they try to come in, you can sniper them. Because when people, they can see you running around.
Yeah.
So maybe you stay here with Steven. Jake, you're going to go with Caleb and Titus, and you're going to go around and take the wood pile. Okay, Steven, you and Zach are going to stay here and defend this. Me and Levi are going to go around this way.
Yeah, just
All right.
see if it works out.